How to enroll in American Express AutoPay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In the American Express official website, to enroll, what you can do is choose to have all or part of your bill paid automatically from your bank account each month. Your due date or please pay by date won't affect it if you sign up for AutoPay as well. You can enroll in AutoPay through your online account if you have multiple cards. And what you can also do is go to login at the top right, log into your account, then select the card you want. If you have multiple cards, choose the one, then navigate to AutoPay enrollment inside the account. Choose how much to pay automatically. Then choose the bank account you want to pay from. Review the due date and pay timing info on screen. After that, you can confirm your email on file so you can get an enrollment confirmation. Submit enrollment, and then after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to enroll in American Express AutoPay. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.